Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you the easiest way to get TiviMate IPTV player to your Amazon Firestick. Without any further ado, let's see how you can get TiviMate app. So the first thing you gotta do is get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, you just have to go to search. Here it is. And as you can see, here's the search bar. You just click on it and start typing Downloader right here. Usually it pops out at the bottom, just like I did this time. So you click on Downloader, and now search results are going to load. And yeah, here's the downloader. You gotta download it to your device. However, after you get this application, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. To do so, we gotta go to settings. So click on that gear icon in the right part of the screen. Then scroll down, go to My Fire TV. And here you have to enable developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options are hidden by default. So if that's the case, don't worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which are going to appear right here. Open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then you gotta go to install unknown apps, and turn that option on for the downloader. So what it does is going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. We are going to get the TiviMate app. So let's go to the list of apps on your device. Here's the downloader, open it. On the left side menu, make sure to click on Home. And here in that search bar, you have to type a code, which is going to be 28907. So the code is 28907, and then you gotta click on Go. Then a web page is going to load, and all you have to do is scroll down a bit until you see the list of categories. Yep, here it is. So we gotta click on IPTV players. Then a whole list of applications is going to open, and what you gotta do here is of course click on TiviMate IPTV player. So let's do it. Then if any ad opens up for you here, make sure to click on close, because if you click on open, it's going to mess everything up. And then a new web page is also going to open, which you also gotta scroll down. And you gotta scroll until you see that little download button. Click on it, and now we have started downloading the file. Click on install in the right bottom corner, and then do not press on open yet. Instead you have to click on done. And here you will have an option to delete the installation file, because we don't need it anymore. So click on delete, and delete once again. Now let's go to the list of apps on your device once again. Here we go, and here's the TiviMate application which we just downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, and then click on move to front. Now as you can see, TiviMate application is at the very top of your app list, therefore it's going to be very easy to access it every time you're looking for TiviMate. Now let's open the app, click on add playlist, and here you can either use the usual M3U playlist. Let's click on it. You would enter the URL and then click on next, or alternatively there's an option to use extreme codes. There you would enter your server address, which is provided to you by your service provider, then username and password, and then of course also click on next. And this way you would add the playlist to your TiviMate application. And pretty much that's it. That's the easiest way to get TiviMate IPTV player to your Firestick. If the video was helpful, please click on the like button so more people would see it as well. And see you next time. Bye bye.